mean, first of all, we sort of have we are a systems engineering program. So you'll find many engineering programs spread across the country that are perhaps manufacturing engineering or industrial engineering. Recognize that ours is particularly a systems engineering program. And systems engineering really does place an increased emphasis on the agreement processes parts of the engineering process. So more emphasis on requirements engineering, more emphasis on system safety, more emphasis on the those parts of, let's say, the systems engineering processes that are management oriented as opposed to technical oriented. Now, in our systems engineering program, we of course cover both the agreement processes and the technical processes that are sort of the two identified components of the systems engineering body of knowledge. Now, another reason is that we have really extraordinary faculty. So I think if you go to our website and peruse the types of folks and the experience of the people that we're engaged with at Colorado State University, you'll find people who've, over the course of their career, been very involved in some of the most innovative topics in systems engineering. You'll find people who have treaded the line between industry and academia for a number of years. You'll find people who are extraordinary researchers, extraordinary teachers, and you'll have exposure and the ability to engage with these folks at Colorado State University. And then, maybe the last point here is that at Colorado State University, the distance education model, we've been engaged with this for now a number of years, more than a decade. And the result of that is that we sort of have a very, we don't have a boundary that exists between our faculty, our on-campus students, our students who are engaging from a distance. And so you will find the traditional benefits of engaging with the university, that you will have exposure to these faculty. You will be able to talk to students who are in the classroom, whether they're whether they're on campus here in Fort Collins or whether they're in Seattle or Atlanta or Washington, D.C. or anything else. You'll be able to have those types of student-to-student interactions, whether you're here on campus or whether you're at a distance. So I think, in many of these, the combination of that sort of, to me, is a very unique experience where students can gain this deep knowledge about systems engineering and also be able to get the sort of traditional university benefits, whether, again, you're engaged with us locally or from afar.